Single presses. Dum, 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 dum. Double presses. Back to single presses. Dum, 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 dum. Let's do double presses again. Let's go inside of an application. And let's use the home button to get out of it. Let's go back to double presses just for fun. How about single presses again? Wow, I've been doing this for a long time now, and I haven't had a single problem. This buyer is absolutely out of their mind. And in addition to that, I'd like to note that he lost out because this was a first run iPhone. I bought it on the very first day. And the display is quite a bit more vibrant than the displays on any following iPhone 4 or iPhone 4S displays. I don't know why, because they either cheaped out or who knows why, but I've never come across an iPhone which is with as deep colors and as vibrant display as this one, and people are jealous of it all the time. So I believe he made up a story because he didn't realize that he couldn't unlock this firmware, but I clearly had the firmware stated on the listing, and eBay let him charge back the money. And I've just been having terrible luck with eBay lately. People either don't pay, or in this instance, they make up stories. So, that's it. Thanks for listening to my rant. Bye.